Oroox is the future of sales in manufacturing. Your clients simply upload their parts to your service. First, the parts are validated, all in a matter of seconds. Clients can tailor their orders with a wide range of configuration options, including material selection, surface treatments, hole finishes, surface finishings, and much more. Every detail is customizable to perfectly match their specific requirements. Oroox supports almost every production process. Still amazing! Clients can also select their preferred shipping options and delivery terms, ensuring they receive their parts precisely when needed, on demand. The final offer is displayed instantly, and the client can place an order online. As a manufacturer, you receive a white-labeled and fully customized sales solution, transforming your business into a modern digital model. This is how you can streamline manufacturing, boost revenues, and automate your daily workload. Hey, you've received an order! And with a perfect overview in your back office, fully integrated with your ERP system, managing your business has never been easier. Unbelievable! You take care of manufacturing, and we take care of everything else.